All over again.
Yeah.
Don't let them spill though. That's the A1 sauce. Oh, that's the Lee and Perns. House. Saving the big kahuna for last. Oh, that's 2 hands. You need 2 hands for that. 2 hands, yep. Yep, 2 hands. Yeah, there you go. You got it. Don't look at me. Oh, yeah. Good job.
Yay.
All right, now the barbecue sauce. All right, clap for us. Give us a clap.
Yay.
Carter, clap.
Now clean out the drawer. Get a sponge and wipe it down. Get it all clean.
There's
Oh,
Leo.
hi, Leonard.
Let's put them all back. Careful. Get in there. Oh. Ah.
Good.
All right.
Whew. That's a heavy one. More than one.
There's the A1. Yeah, good job. Good job with that. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, good job. That's the barbecue. You might have to fix the A1 though. You're gonna fix that one. It's a good thing Mommy's around to help, huh? Yeah, salad dressing. Good job. Good job, yeah. Oh, that's for Lainey, the goddess. Yeah, good job. 2 more. All right.
Yay. All done?
Now clap for us. Give us a little clap.
Clap your hands. Yeah.
Good job.